Hello everyone, welcome back to CodesKing. In the last video, we have seen that how we can connect our application with the Firebase. Now in this video, we are going to authenticate an user, or we will look at how we can create an user with Firebase. So go to the Firebase assistant, go to the authentication, email and password. Now look at our application is connected, so add Firebase authentication in our app. Let Gradle build it. Now copy the Firebase auth. Go to sign up activity and add in it. Alt plus enter and import the class. Firebase auth means Firebase authorization or authentication. Now get the instant of Firebase. So mauth is equal to Firebase auth dot get instance. Now create one Firebase auth state listener. It helps us to state, or it can work behind the scenes. Like when we used to press the home button, then it will automatically close the connection from Firebase. Now create one Firebase user, that is current user. First let's fetch all the views of the sign up activity, like user password, username and user email. Now let's add one progress bar in it. And give it ID sign up progress. And align it in center. And make it invisible by providing visibility gone. Same we need to add in login XML. So go to login XML and add it here. Let's see it first. And change the ID to the login progress. Now let's fetch it ID. Fetch the user email. Let me check its IDs. So these are belong to the login activity. Same with the user main and user password. Fetch the progress bar. Now instantiate the firebase auth dot get instance. Go to the assistant, copy this on start and paste it here. Auth dot get current user. So on start we will check if we have any current user in it. And we will add auth listener at starting. Now create an instance of authstate listener. And it will manage the user state. Current user equal to firebase auth dot get current user. In this current user we are getting the current user and we check it by using if condition. If current user is not equal to null, that means we have already an user here. And else means there is no user yet. Now change the ID. Now we have two views the same ID, so we need to change it. Give it name login sign up button. Now here we are getting an error because we have a text view and we are trying to fetch it from its button. So we need to change it to text view. Now it is solved. Now set on click listener on it. Now create an method, that is create user with email password, and pass some fields in it, that is string email, string password, and string username. Email, password, and username. Alright guys, so we will use textutil class to check the user fields are empty or not. Okay, so if so please guys add not equal to before the text utils. I forget it to add. So if text utils dot empty, and we will pass the user email dot get text to string, it will check whether the user is empty, user fields are empty, or same with email, password, and the username. And if condition is true, we will pass the method which we have created, and in else we will pass the toast that fill all the fields. So take strings and save all the fields value like email, password, and username. So we will start work on this method in the next video. Until then, if you are new here, do subscribe and share. I will see you next video guys. Thank you.